Health, humanity, and everything in between. Myth and Facts with Dr. Naresh.
So we are on to our last segment of our podcast, Breaking the Myth. तो सर इसमें हमें देखना है, कुछ फैक्ट्स होते हैं, कुछ मिथ होते हैं. फैक्ट्स आपको पता है, मिथ्स जो है वो जनरल पब्लिक में है, ठीक है. तो वी आर स्टार्टिंग विद द फर्स्ट वन. मेंटल इलनेस इज इक्वल टू पर्सनल वीकनेस. मिथ और अ फैक्ट?
It's a myth only. Mental illness is not personal weakness. It's basically mental illness is a disease like any other disease. For example, diabetes, hypertension.
Depression is just sadness and lack of positivity.
No. Depression includes like persistent pervasive low mood, decreased energy, and loss of interest in previous pleasurable activity. Not only the sad components.
People who talk about suicide are only seeking attention.
No, they are not attention seeking. Basically, it's a signal. They are trying to pass a message. If early intervention is provided, then we can prevent them from.
Psychiatric medicines are addictive. Myth or fact?
Some are addictive. Okay, like benzodiazepines are addictive, but not most of the medication. It's a myth.
So not all medicines in psychiatry are addictive, guys. Once started, psychiatric medicines must be taken lifelong.
No. As we discussed, like in first episode, some are taken for 6 to 9 months. In repeated episode, they are taken for the longer period.
तो ये myth है.
Myth है.
Children and teenagers cannot have depression or anxiety.
No, it's a myth only. Children also have the depression. Their symptoms are different, starting with chidchidapan, irritability, school refusals, lack academic performance.
So basically, sir is breaking the myth in the most extraordinary way. So next myth we are having is social media directly cause mental illness. A myth or a fact?
More of myth. Social media per se don't cause the mental illness, but it trigger and it worsens your mental illness.
People with mental illness are more violent than others.
No. I think people with mental illness are more chance of being harmed. There are more chance कि खुद को ज़्यादा harm करते rather than others.
जैसे schizophrenia वगैरह के जो
Yes, schizophrenia में risk to others होता है, but schizophrenia की prevalence भी कम है. Depression, anxiety की prevalence ज़्यादा है. तो खुद को harm करने के cases ज़्यादा हैं. दोनों हैं, but more
of myth, like they are not going to harm you guys. Kindly be empathetic to them and understand the situation. They're also a part of society and they need to be treated. The next myth versus fact question is, therapy is only for people with severe mental disorder.
No. Therapy is for even minor illnesses also, in the stressful situation, acute stress reaction also, and mild to moderate depressive cases.
So it's a myth. It's a myth. The last in the series is, if someone is smiling and successful, they can't be mentally ill.
No. Depressed patient can smile. Times they can hide their symptoms, and due to stigma and due to more of embarrassment, sometimes they don't say.
All right, sir. Thank you so much. So we are starting with the most interesting part of our podcast, which is rapid fire, sir. So we are starting with our question. The first question of our rapid fire round is, most common mental health problem you see today?
Anxiety disorder.
Anxiety disorders. One symptom people ignore the most but should not.
Sleep disturbance.
Most misunderstood psychiatric medication.
Antidepressant. They are not addictive and they help in curing the depression.
Okay. One mental health myth you wish would disappear forever.
Like depression is not drama. Mostly we say na ki depression is like drama only.
So depression is not drama. Okay. Therapy or medication, what works better overall?
Case to case. Mild to moderate cases, therapy works, and in moderate to severe cases, therapy plus medication.
Sir is already winning the rapid fire round, guys. So we do not have a hamper, but he can still win it. One habit damaging mental health silently in Indians today.
Using the phone before sleeping.
So do not use the phone before sleeping, guys. I think ये तो बहुत common awareness topic भी है. Before sleeping, try to avoid phone at least before 2 hours. Age group you are most worried about right now as a doctor?
Teenagers. Because they are more prone to the behavioral addictions and also the substance use also.
So guys, please do not do. Your doctor is worried about you. One early warning sign families should never ignore.
Suicidal talks. Whenever patient says कि I am getting a suicidal ideation, कि मुझे मरने जैसे ख्याल आने, don't ignore.
Yeah. Biggest mistake patients make after feeling slightly better.
stopping the medication.
So I think we have talked about it also. So do not stop the medication. Khud. Last question for our round is one thing everyone should do daily for better mental health.
Regular exercise, and obviously don't use the phone before sleeping. Sleep hygiene is must.
Sleep hygiene is a must and do physical exercise. I think वो तो बहुत सारे diseases से हमें बचाता है.
Definitely.